The third generation of the midsize pickup truck is on the way. The company is developing the new Ridgeline to be more competitive in the tough market. This is a unique model with a unibody architecture. Honda won't try moving it to the ladder frame. However, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline needs an update, since more pickups showed up built on the same concept. The redesign will make the 2025 Honda Ridgeline more attractive. It will also allow designers to play with the truck. More space and gadgets are waiting inside. The Trail Sport package is ready to debut after impressing on the Pilot SUV. With Ridgeline, the Passport SUV is also getting the same off-road trim. That is not all, since the truck should be available with a hybrid drivetrain when the new generation hits showrooms. Of course, the cabin needs a few updates. But first of all, we must mention that the 2025 Honda Ridgeline will be available only with a 5-seater cabin. No other configurations are to be added. There is enough room for passengers and cargo. The dash is going to be new. Larger touchscreen sits at the center, and Honda provides wireless tech for smartphones and their charging. More driver aid features should make a ride cozier and safer. The redesign is not the only big thing about the upcoming truck. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline Hybrid draws the same attention. Fans and experts want to know more about it, but the company doesn't want to unveil plans. Experts are confident that the Japanese company is working on the upgrades of the same system, and that upcoming 2025 Ridgeline Hybrid can be very efficient. A 3.0-liter petrol engine is the base, and with the help of electric motors, we might see it delivering 350 horsepower.